From 60 degrees and sunny yesterday to this. So we're out here on the farm today. Got the little doggies, little farm doggies out here getting us, and we're gonna detail this little white Ford Escape, and you see, farm country. It's cold, good chilly morning. What is it this morning? 36. Frost on the windows, and let's see what we got. Alright, so we got this little Ford Escape. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Very rarely do we get people that will clean all their junk out of their car, so we have to do that for them too, but it happens. Turn that radio off. Alright, so at the inside, pretty rough. Some stains in the carpet there. Little panels ain't too bad. Outside ain't too dirty. Aaron's over getting set up. Some mud down there. A little bit of dog hair. The worst. Driver's seat's probably the worst. Got a panel falling off. We can make her look good. There's your door jamb. See what we can do. Alright, so this is after we've got everything, all the loose stuff, trash, keep stuff. You still see what we got to fool with there. Got stuff in here I don't know how to get out. Inside there, I'll figure out how to get all that out. Look now again. So this type of carpet, get over here. I don't know if you can see it or not. This type of carpet is the absolute worst. It comes in these Ford Escapes and the Dodge Journey, the Toyota Camry. You cannot get stuff out of this carpet. It sucks. Don't have to shampoo, steam. Got a bunch of gummy stuff, like corners like that. And then it's just hard to get out. Those little spots back in there. Turn in there. And it just, these carpets are awful to clean. You can't hardly clean them. And these are the carpets that make you wonder, did I make the right decision to start detailing cars full time? Because you spend so much time trying to get these things clean, and a normal 2.5, 3 hour job turns into a 4 and 5 hour job because you're never satisfied trying to get this carpet clean. It's just the hardest carpet in the world to clean, especially when it has never been taken care of. So if you guys got any tips or suggestions on how to get this crud out of here easier, this carpet's kind of like Velcro, and it holds on to everything. We tried to blow it out, we tried to suck it out, we tried to scrub it out with the brushes. I'm fixing to dig the steamer out and the shampooer, the extractor. And man, these back seats don't come up, so it's hard to get underneath those. You can see those right there. It's just hard to get up under there when they don't raise up. A lot of the cars do, but this one doesn't. Apparently doesn't do it. Alright, so Aaron brought up a good point. What'd you say, Aaron?
No YouTube detailers detail these kind of cars.
They don't tend to show them anyway if they do.
Yeah.
For one reason, I know it's kind of hard to video and clean a car of this caliber, that's this dirty, because it takes a long time anyway to clean the car. Now you're adding time to video, but man, these are the ones that we struggle on as a detailer, trying to make money.
Like, do you just turn away the jobs, or turn them down if they're just too bad, or what?
Yeah, and I hate to be the guy that says, oh, I can't clean that, and that's too dirty for me, and that's the reason I'm doing this work, to clean these vehicles up. But man, sometimes they are a struggle to get clean. These little cars, sometimes the material sucks, and you can't, every tool you've got seems like it just doesn't work, or doesn't work good enough, and you got to have 15 tools out. You see, we got drill brushes, hand brushes, vacuum, scrapers, trying to get the most stuff we can possibly get up. And man, it's tough. It's tough.
And you hate to leave a car looking dirty, like you didn't even clean it. So, there's really,
you hate to walk away from one and it looking,
and you can only clean it so much.
Yeah, so
but then you look bad for leaving it dirty.
You got parts and pieces falling off of them. You don't know what to do with them. Put them back is all we do. We try anyway. So here in Kentucky, February was hard on us. The weather in February is in the teens and 20s, and it makes it really hard. We've got a garage, but it's not big enough to put full-size trucks and stuff in, so a lot of people aren't really wanting them clean, and it's that cold, and when there's salt in the roads, that kind of thing. So our big season is when the weather breaks, like today. It's supposed to be what, 50? It's supposed to be 60 today, and they're giving 6 inches of snow tonight. Supposed to be cold all weekend, and then back to 60 again Monday. So,
weather for you.
Right now we're staying booked up about a week and a half, 2 weeks ahead. But man, here in Kentucky, the weather changes so fast. It's just been rough. It's been a rough winter. We didn't plan for winter to be that bad. We started in September doing mobile, and we got it figured out. It's just slow. It's picking back up though. That's what we like. It gives us hope and promise that we're doing the right thing. You know, a lot of people say, oh, it must be nice to own your own business and be able to set your hours you want and take off anytime you want. And the only problem we have with that is, yes, that's true, but you don't make any money if you're taking off all the time.
Can't make no money sitting at home.
Can't make no money sitting at home. We found that out. You got to get out there and hustle. This is hard work. This is hard work.
Business is harder than
And then running your own business is a whole lot harder than working for somebody else, because now you're doing all the paperwork, you're doing all the tax stuff, you're tracking receipts, you're keeping up with supplies and materials, and trying to find, you know, best deals for your money. You got maintenance on tools. Tools break down. You need better tools. You know, we started off small and slow and with the best tools we could find for the price, for the money we had. We didn't start this company with thousands of dollars in the bank. We bought a van. We bought, you know, some shop vacs and some cheaper stuff. And then as we progressed, we put money back into the company and buying, you know, upgrading our stuff and making better stuff, getting better stuff. And it's been a struggle because the money ain't been all that good yet. But we're averaging 2 to 3 vehicles a day, a week when the weather's nice. So right now we're booked up 2 weeks, I think, Alan.
Yeah.
And that's good, you know. We have
2 weeks, 2 vehicles almost every day.
Yep. So it's coming along, but it's a work in progress. I mean, it's a struggle, and we're learning. And I know every detailer's doing the same thing.
Nobody in our area is doing the mobile deal.
And we have no competition where we're at. There is nobody around us, and I'm gonna show you why. This is why. You see where we're at. There is nothing but farmland as far as you can see. And, you know, getting these people to pay the money to have their vehicles detailed is tough. A lot of people don't want to do it. So that's our thoughts on it. Continue videoing. We got the car cleaned out before we put the mats and everything back in. Just want to look at everything. Looking really good. Aaron, what's our time frame on this so far? 12:30. Really? 4 hours? 4 hours on the inside of this thing.